Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun, budget-friendly tutorial for Christmas. Today I'm going to share with you how you can create a farmhouse-style tree using these products from Dollar Tree. What you're going to need is a Christmas tree, some wired garland ties, floral foam, some pine cones, white paint, some rope, a scarf, scissors, paintbrush, glue, and some rice. If you don't have rice, you can use maybe some rocks or some beans or lentils or anything like that, something heavy. You don't need a whole lot of it, so maybe just a cup or so. So that's basically all you're going to need, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take the dollar Christmas tree out of the packaging and just open up the branches. So you can see it's not a very full Christmas tree, but we're going to change that pretty quickly. Then next what we're going to do is grab some of these garland ties and just add them to the tree wherever you think they need more branches. And just do that by twisting and bring them out like that. You're not going to need too many of them. I think it kind of needs a little bit down here at the bottom. Just to give it a little fuller look. I'm going to cut a couple for the middle part. As it goes up, the branches get a little shorter, so you want to make sure that they kind of blend in there. Basically what I want to do is hide the center section because it's not very pretty. And then one on this side. There you have a little bit of a fuller tree. Okay, I'm not going to need the stand, so I'm just going to put that aside. Next, you're just going to grab a piece of the floral foam, and you're going to just go ahead and push the tree into the center of the foam, like so. Like that. Gives it a little base. Once you have that sturdy, you're going to go ahead and get your paint and your paintbrush. I like it when the trees look a little frosted with snow, so I'm just going to add a little paint sporadically to the tips of the branches. If you have some of that flocking, you can do that. If you have some of that little snow that's real fine, you could put Mod Podge and then just sprinkle some of that on there. You could also do the same thing if you wanted a little more of a glitter look. I just want it to just have a very slight bit of snow on the tips. So this is the easiest way of doing that. And it's not as messy. Here it has just a little bit of more dimension in it. And I'm just going to set that aside to dry. While that's drying, go ahead and grab the fleece scarf. What you're going to do is cut off this fringe. And go ahead and stick your tree in the center there. What we're going to do is kind of make a sack to put around the bottom. So let's say we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to go ahead and cut 12 squares. That should be good. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right down here at the base so that I can tack the scarf ends to it, just as a placeholder. Okay, next I'm going to get just a piece of rope, and I'm going to tie it around the center here, just for measurement. So probably going to need about this much. Before I close it up, I want to weight it down a little bit. So that's where the rice comes in. I'm just going to get a handful and put it on the sides. And once you fill it up with rice, you can go ahead and tie the rope a couple of times around the bottom. The reason why I want to weigh it down is that the foam isn't very big or very heavy, and I don't want the tree to topple over. So it gives it a little more weight to it, like that. And that's really all you have to do. So once you've tied it up, trimmed it to your liking, you have a very cute farmhouse style Christmas tree. If you wanted to add a little more character to it, you could get a few pine cones, add a little paint to the end like this, and hot glue it inside the tree. Put a little hot glue there. We're going to just tack that on there. And add as many as you'd like. Pretty simple. Just adding snow basically to your pine cones. These pine cones I got at the craft store. I know they sell some at Dollar Tree, but the ones I saw there were a lot bigger. That way you can fill in the gaps pretty easily. And it doesn't look like a $1 Christmas tree anymore. So it went from a Charlie Brown tree to a farmhouse tree. And that's it. Super cute. I hope you like this project, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.